All right, let's welcome Molly Lovern into the program. She's the Director of Programming and Membership Engagement with the Community Development Foundation. Molly, welcome in.
Hey, thank y'all for having me.
Thanks for coming in. Appreciate it. I want to talk with you about this Tupelo Young Professionals, which has been around a few years, since I think '02, but it looks like basically you've given it a little kick in the pants.
That's right, a little bit. So it was started it originated in 2002. Really didn't get going until 2006. So I guess it's been about 10 years in the making. And it really started out in 2006 as a really good idea to get, young people involved in Tupelo, Lee County, and get them actively engaged. What it ended up being is more of, they thought, the people at the time thought it'd be easier to get people after work, instead of coming during work and having to leave work and all that good stuff. So it became more of kind of an after-hours social event, which nothing's wrong with a good after-hours social event. But, that's all it was a social networking. Same people came. And so I started mid-February and decided that was going to be one of my goals, was to revamp the program. I'm a young professional. I've lived in several different, I'm from this area, but I've lived in Gainesville, Florida, Nashville, and came from some of those programs where we were actively involved, and it was more of a program where you learn stuff and a betterment program for yourself and the community. So that's kind of what I wanted to do.
So what kind of changes did you make to this program?
Instead of, like I said, we're still going to have some after-hour socials. We had our kickoff in June. We're having lunch programs, more of an interactive, like last Thursday, the 14th, we had the mayor. It was Access to Issues, and we had him come, and basically it was an open forum. He discussed kind of some things he wanted us to know as young professionals, but an open forum for any questions you wanted to ask. And then we have, every other month we'll have a lunch program. So it includes lunch, and it will have, we're having a CEO panel, a civic engagement, and then we're going to have a hobnob with our board. And then everything in between there, we will have some social events. I'll do some pop-up lunches, maybe a kickball team.
There you go.
What's really cool, I think, I've said before, is we have everybody from 21 to 40. So you have people who just got out of college, everybody in between, and then, the people, inching toward 40. I also want to do some service projects. I've been speaking with some nonprofits and some charities, maybe Habitat for Humanity, Helping Hands, and some of that. So I had a little charity work in there as well, better our community.
Well, if you want to join up, Molly, it's a year-long membership is $50. And who do I guess they need to contact you? How can they contact you?
Yes, so you can call the Chamber Division, CDF, 842-4521. My email is mlovorn@cdfms.org. Or, we have a Facebook page, speaking back to social media.
Sure.
Tupelo Young Professionals. It is a private group. You request to join it. Anyone can join. And I post a lot of information there, not only about our programming, but about these pop-up, events, kickball, lunches, service projects. And then some other sign up for the community. Like Down on Main is, a great program for young and old, and it needs volunteers. So I posted that. So just, any questions you have, any comments. Some people feel like $50 is a lot, but I don't feel like it is when you get 3 lunches, great programs, networking, a T-shirt, and maybe, like I said, maybe some kickball.
Kickball alone would be worth it.
Agreed. So. Kickball's fun. Our next meeting will be Thursday, September 22nd at CDF in the Southland Construction Boardroom. It is, you don't have to pay extra. If you've paid your $50, if you haven't paid, you want to come, I'll take your payment there. And it's going to be a CEO panel. So we're going to have some CEOs probably out of the, several different industries, and it's just going to be an open panel. You ask them what you want about career development or their industry, and we'll have them say a few words. But I don't have all those set in stone, but look for those on our Facebook page.
All right, Molly Lovern with CDF. I appreciate your time, Molly.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
Good stuff.
Appreciate it.